A small injection molding factory was struggling every day. Machines stopped unexpectedly. Targets were missed. Operators wrote everything. Bills rose. Rejections grew. Deliveries were always late. The owner never had. One day, he decided to upgrade with a smart IoT solution. Sensors were connected to every machine. Live dashboards appeared. Real-time production, machine status, downtime, cycle time, energy data, all instant alerts came before machines failed. Breakdowns reduced. Production efficiency increased. Rejections came under control. Operators became more productive. Customers received orders on time. The same factory started generating higher profits. Today he knows it in real time. Upgrade to smart IoT solutions. Contact us.